Welcome to my demonstration on how to lifting, holding, and burping a baby after feeding. Before we begin, we use a baby doll. Before lifting and holding the baby, cleanse hands with alcohol, base hand rub, or soap and water for this demonstration. We will be using an alcohol based on hand rub. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support underneath, back, and head, also at your bottom. Lap hold. Sit in the chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees. Face up, baby's feet should be tucked in at your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby outwards and make her sleep on your hip bones. You should wrap your arm around her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the miss. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulder and gently tap, rub the baby. Rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby, sitting up in your lap or across your knees. Support the baby's chest and head. With one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand, gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Setting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head and gently pat back or rub him burp.